Hindi, ang ibig kong sabihin, kung ipipilit na merong restitution kahit wala sa batas, so how can you process the application, for example, of the applicant? Kasi, kapag tinignan mo yung, I think the applicable section is section 10. Basahin mo yun, wala namang restitution. So, kung ipipilit natin that somebody should first restitute, doon pa lamang sa title ng batas, Secretary, it is all for the benefit, interest, and protection of the witness. To burden him or her with additional requirement which is not in the law, hindi ko ba intindihan? How can you agree with that?
Your Honor, ang tinitingnan po dito ay yung pangkalahatan.
No, I'm talking about
Opo.
the WPP.
Opo.
What pangkalahatan ang sinasabi ninyo?
Ang kailangan po kasi sa dulo nito, manalo po yung Estado laban po.
Kaya nga, but before you do that,
Opo.
you have to proceed with the process.
Yes, opo.
So, paano siya mapaprocess? Kung ipipilit po na mag-restitute muna, for example, ano i-restitute niya? How much? Sino magkukompute? How can it be done? Sino ang magsasabi na ganito ang dapat niyang i-restitute? Meron na bang ano? Meron na bang pronouncement? We are in the process of asking their help to identify yung mastermind.
Opo.
It cannot be done easily. Kaya nga natin ginamit ang batas na to help the state. Ngayon, kung kayo po pala ay mag-prescribe ng isa pang requirement which is not in the law, I cannot believe this. Ito yung dilemma namin eh. Kaya nung pinipilit niya, and ako po nagtataka kung bakit kayo rin nag-agree kayo. So ano po talaga, kayo po yung ano eh. Ang DOJ is the principal law agency. If the principal law agency of this government will not even understand the basic requirements of the law, para lamang magkaroon ng nag-a-apply pa lang yung tao po eh. Imagine, hindi man natin masasabi kung ultimately magko-qualify siya eh. Or even if he qualifies as a state witness, kung hindi niya naman nagagampanan ang tungkulin niya under the program, pwede mo rin siyang alisin eh. So, the point, Mr. Chair, is they cannot even begin to be processed under the law. Kasi naglalagay po kayo ng requirement which has not been included by law. Sino yung mag-explain ulit? Sabi? May I be educated on that?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. I just wanted to make an attempt to reconcile the debate on this matter. There's actually no inconsistency. First, it is correct that under Section 10, the law provides for the qualifications for a person to be qualified as a state witness. Nandun po yung materiality at absolute necessity ng testimony ng tao at corroborated po to on its material points by other witnesses, and that he is not the most guilty. Okay. Now, under Section 5, which refers to the memorandum of agreement that has to be executed between the DOJ and the potential state witness, nakalagay din po dyan yung necessary matters that should bind the agreement dito po sa Witness Protection Program. And under Section 5, letter D, nakalagay din po dyan kung ano po yung legal obligations and civil judgments or civil aspect of the case against him. Ang ibig lang pong sabihin niyan, kakausapin naman po siya, maaari pong i-process yung application niya, but under the first statement under Section 5,
what specific provision under that law, under that provision?
Section 5 po says
nga,
that
basahin mo.
Before a person is provided protection under this act, he shall first execute a memorandum of agreement,
okay,
which shall set forth his responsibilities, including the following.
So
kasama po dun sa mga obligations.
Ano nga?
Ito po, to comply with legal obligations and civil judgments. So doon sa civil judgments po, this refers po to the civil obligation pertaining to the
May
crime.
civil judgment.
No. We are saying legal obligations. Ang basis po ng legal obligations
The basis of legal obligation is the law itself.
is the law itself,
Oh,
which
walang
includes,
nakalagay na restitution. Bakit mo ikokot yung
which includes
memorandum?
po other provisions of law, including the civil code on unjust enrichment. Kasama po yan. Every law should be read consistent and harmoniously
Paano mo nga
with other
i-apply
provisions of
yun,
the
even
law.
the civil code? How can you apply? Paano, ano yung i-restitute niya? Alam mo, magkakatalo lang tayo rito eh.
Hindi ho.
The
Let
DOJ
me
is in a position to even calculate how much the applicant should restitute before he can be processed under the application.
I'm making a distinction po between process and enjoying the benefits under this act. So, ipoprocess na po yan dahil matagal po naman ang paraan para malaman at matuntun ang lahat ng civil
wala
obligation.
pa nga pong statement whether or not meron nga sila. Wala pa tayo eh.
Kailangan po natin makuha ang mga statement ng mga potential witnesses. Kailangan pong evaluate, kailangan pong malaman
Doon sa,
kung ano po
doon sa
yung
memorandum na
unang
sinasabi mo, Yusek, sinasabi restitution?
Opo, kasama po.
Sinasabi dyan?
Hindi, ang word po dito ay civil and legal obligations. Understood po na ang legal obligations has many sources.
Saan
Kasama
manggagaling
po-
ang obligation? The law does not provide restitution in the first place. That is very simple.
Legal obligation po has a
Huwag
specific
kayong
definition.
mag-imagine ng argument, Yusek. Magtatagal lang tayo rito. This is very simple enough.
Apo. Anyway, ang sinasabi ko lang
Kapag
po,
ka ba hindi provided ng batas, magiging reasonabling obligation under the provision you're quoting?
we are saying that legal obligations is defined under
You
the law.
you cannot
And legal
even,
obligations
you
includes
cannot
unjust
use,
enrichment.
your opinion will even matter here. That's your opinion. Ang pinag-uusapan natin is the requisite of law. Thus, the maxim expressio unius est exclusio alterius ring a bell to you?
Alam po natin yun. Ang
O anong
sinasabi
ibig
ko po,
sabihin nun?
Ang what is expressed excluded is not included.
Kaya nga. You are including an opinion which was not expressly enumerated under Section 10 of the law.
Hindi. We submit, Your Honor, that a witness can be processed under this program, but he cannot receive any of the benefits as stated in Section 5 unless the matter referring to legal obligations is reduced into writing in a memorandum.
So,
Yan
Mr.
po ang
Chair,
position namin.
the opinion of the USEC is trying to supplant the very clear and categorical provision of law.
We submit, Your Honor, we're just reading the text of Section 5. Your Honor, may I also add, we are trying to get to the bottom of the investigation.
You are adding an opinion and you are supplanting the basic provision of law. You cannot do that. And sabi pa nga natin, the spring cannot rise higher than its source. Tama?
Opo.
Paano? Pati opinion mo, gagamitin natin. Sana wag ganun para hindi na tayo magtagal. Ano?